So if you can't enjoy a s'more around a campfire, you can do it in the microwave. The ingredients you'll need are 2 graham crackers, a marshmallow or 2, and a piece of chocolate. And then a piece of paper toweling or paper plate or small plate that you can put in the microwave. So all you need to do is place your paper towel in your microwave with the graham cracker and top it with a piece of chocolate. Then we're going to microwave it for 10 seconds. That'll get the chocolate a head start in melting. Then we're going to place the marshmallow on top and microwave for another 10 seconds. You always want to double check that you put it for 10 seconds and not a minute or more. And once you see the marshmallow puffing up, you have your s'more. So you can put your cap on. Be careful because your s'more is hot, but there you go. The chocolate is nice and melty. Enjoy! You can make all sorts of variations of s'mores. Why don't you try one of my favorite? We're going to take peanut butter and spread it on one of the graham crackers. Then the other one we're going to place in the microwave with our marshmallow. Put your marshmallow with the plain graham cracker in the microwave. And we're going to do it for 8 seconds. Just so the marshmallow gets soft and starts to expand. Okay, move that over. And then put the peanut butter covered graham in there. And there you have a peanut butter one. You could also have it with chocolate if you like, but give it a whirl.